So we're back in Miami after spending roughly a week in LA, and we're setting up the studio for a shoot that we're doing today with the hoodies. So we're hanging all this. It's gonna look super cool. We're gonna do like a 3D layer. So we have this first layer here, then we have the second layer right behind it, roughly around there, and then we have the back one. So when the model comes here tonight, we're gonna do a hard flash shoot where like it's gonna be very bright flash. It's gonna give it that film look and that 3D effect with the 3 different layers. So yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be a great shoot. All right, so here's an update. I got the 3 layers set up, some balloons. So when you go through it, it's literally layer 1, layer 2. You know, I got that coffee. Gotta go drop off this shipment at the post office. Alright, so here's how the studio's looking. So we get closer to nighttime, which is when it's gonna be the nicest, pretty much. So we're pretty much gonna be shooting these hoodies, the blue one only. So that's why everything's blue, different tones of blue. So we have the balloons, we have this one, we have the backdrop, and then we have the hoodie. And yeah, it's gonna look pretty cool. Excited for this. Just cleaned up my room. Finally, after this little LA trip, looking clean. The sunset. This bed's from CB2, guys. I love it because it has a little like nightstand thing on the side. Gotta have the candles always. And then the mattress is from Casper. Pretty good mattress. Really enjoy it. So I'm gonna go on my computer before the shoot. I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, so we started the shoot.
What's your Insta?
There's so many things to make of that.
Alright, so the picture. Make a looking good.
Alright guys, this shoe is coming out insane. Look.
Wait, do it again? Wait, your tongue. And see this,
So we're back from the gym, so now we're gonna make some homemade coffee. The shoot yesterday ended up going better than expected. We got all the pictures we needed. Everything went great. The set was great. The model was great. Piero snapped the pictures, so very excited to show you guys how it comes out. We're editing till late last night. Probably ended up going to sleep like 3, 4. So as soon as we finish, mainly he's working on that, but last night we were just going over, picking the best pictures and everything. Yeah, we'll show you guys how that comes out. Very excited for that. We have all the hoodies stocked up there. And yeah, we're gonna make some breakfast, eggs, coffee, lock in for a bit. Have to hit the bank for a little thing that I have to do. We actually got some film pics too, so very excited to see how those turn out. So I'm gonna make breakfast, shower, get ready. I'll catch you guys in a bit. We're out here looking comfortable, feel comfortable fit. Some slides, cream pants, hoodie. Got some hoodies here on the tags. So I can't grab the camera here. So we're gonna go drop that off, get the samples made for the tags to see if it looks good. And then we'll have to go to the bank. Every time I park next to this pink car, I'm like, damn. It looks too crazy. Both of them side by side.
Estás bien dura, ahí estabas desnuda. Bailando que estaba clavando cuando yo te daba. Empezaste a tocar antes que yo llegue.
It's legendary.
Know you with their friends, know you got it. Let them know that everything.
Alright, so it's Thursday now. You guys will be seeing this tomorrow as this comes out. And we finally have the tags in hand, so they're actually crazy. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. Hopefully you guys understand it. But yeah, we finally got these. So now we got to take them all and the hoodies to the place where they're gonna be getting placed. And it's gonna be a little different placement than you generally see a tag. I'll show you guys once it's done. And hopefully, I think it's crazy. And then he also thinks it's really crazy. So we're stuck between two different spots, but I think we made our mind as to where it's gonna go. So once it's done, I'll show you guys how it looks, and hopefully we get some good feedback. Either way, I think it's crazy, so it's gonna be cool. So yeah, just today we're gonna be here just doing some work, getting everything together, finishing a few things that we have to finish, SMS list, all that. And yeah, just pretty much locked in. Probably gonna go shoot tonight, a little more content, but that's pretty much what we got going on today. I'm gonna go play soccer for a bit, just cause I just wrapped up most of the work for the day. We're gonna go shoot tonight. I feel like playing, cause I don't know, it's been quite some time. So I'm gonna go downstairs to the soccer field, play for like 30 minutes, catch a vibe, and yeah, I'll get some clips out there so you guys can see. Alright, so I had to take the elevator up to Cam's pad. We're out here with Cam and Jeremy. They're locked in, been working crazy. Cam moved here from Maryland like a year ago, and it's crazy. Like, his story, hella inspiring, honestly. He started doing like the whole e-com thing. How long ago?
Like 2.5 years.
Yeah,
like,
that's crazy. And then he just moved to Miami, not knowing anyone here, so.
You were invited, you were liked it. And I'm meant for it, I'm meant for it.
Yeah, I see it. Alright, so we're gonna go get a few more clips. Then I eat at the same time in this new spot called Sushi Fly. So very excited to try that. I'm starving. Alright, so ended up shooting last night. Woke up kind of late today actually, because I went to sleep kind of late yesterday. So woke up like at 10 today, which is awful, because I feel like I started my day so late. On top of that, Bitcoin decided to tank, so I'm down bad right now in my crypto net worth. But it's fine. I'm not gonna sell, I'm gonna hold, I'm gonna leave that there. Whether it goes bad or good, I don't know, we'll see. Just gotta make that back through business and continue the cash flow things flowing. So I'm not gonna stress this. And yeah, just preparing everything for the hoodies. Had a call right now with an SMS company that's way better than the one I'm currently using. So I'll let you guys know how that goes, if they're better, so you guys can use it too. So had the whole onboarding call for like an hour, and that should be cool once we launch it. So hoodies are set to launch a week from now on Thursday, and yeah, it's pretty much the updates. Gonna keep testing out some more TikTok ads, scaling. Next week I'll give you guys an update on that. Next week I'll probably have how the Thursday hoodies drop went as well. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little short this week just because content wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't that much going on this week. There wasn't that much going on this week, but either way, sticking to the whole Friday thing. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM there asking questions of things you want to see, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace out.